Hi guys. Enough of the pleasantries. Let's get right into it. Today we're gonna add to our collection. Today we have the metal silhouette targets. So we're gonna plaster these around. Sound effects. You know that small one. Gotta have your skills up. I'm gonna put them all four every day. I'm gonna put them out different places. Then also we also got the varmint targets. Yeah. Of course, you know I'm in Florida, so of course there's enough real varmints out there. But I ain't got time to be trying to kill nothing. I'm humane with it. This is the humane way when you get these little metal and paper varmints. But these right here are just for sound and accuracy. So I'm gonna put them out. You want me to crack them open? I don't know. The package look kind of hard, but let's see. I'm gonna rip it. I'm gonna take it off camera for a sec. Well, actually, I'll do it on camera. Fuck it. Oh, just ripped. Top. Sticky paper inside. Oh man. Ay. There go one. They make this packaging good. There's one. Like a little duck type shit. Then I guess this one is like a ram type shit. Then after those two, you want to get your accuracy up. You throw that little pig in there. So you can throw that little pig in there. Then for the tiniest one out of the metal targets, boom, you got a small little like duck thing on there. But there they go. They made by SLYNGER, SLYNGER. If you want to see the name, SLYNGER. There are 4 targets. One is a chicken, one is a pig, one is a turkey, one is a ram. So they tell you how many yards to put them away and all that. But these are the silhouette targets. Alright. And then back there I also showed y'all the varmints. I'll do a whole video just on varmints, but right now, let's get to shooting. Alright guys. That duck one more time. Oh, there you go.